Hey, and listen, I'm going to do my best for the next 5 days to cover a topic that actually I spent, I've spent years and years and years really working on to get better. So I hope this is going to be okay for you, but we're going to go through how to take more listings in a very compressed time frame. And by the way, if you'd like to see this and more videos similar to this, hey, check out my Facebook page. Check out the Rich Agent Coaching Facebook page or go to my YouTube channel. Everything there is free and it's designed really to be something that would be helpful for you. So, in any case, really quickly, how to take more listings. Oh, the Facebook page, sorry, Rich Agent Coaching TV. So, here we go. First, to take more listings, well, let's think about it for a moment. To take more listings, hey, we can certainly contact more people, right? I mean, that's easy. We just more people we speak with, the more chances we have. That'll work. How about this though? Let's think for a moment. Where did that lead come from? I mean, was it just from cold calling around in an area? Was it maybe you bought the lead? Maybe it's a past customer, a center of influence. Could be a referral from one of them. Love those. It could be an expired listing or for sale by owner. Where did that lead come from? Now, the second thing you have to do, because let's face it, some leads are going to be better, higher quality lead than others, right? The ones that you buy, probably not as good as if you made the contact yourself. The ones that use artificial intelligence, eh, that's still kind of new in the grand scheme of things, so I'm not really 100% sure of that. No matter how you look at it, though, at some point in the process, you will have to speak with them. So, what's the first thing you're going to do? Well, I would suggest the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to qualify them. Have a conversation with them. I followed a very well written, very persuasive script that I asked, where I asked certain questions. I made it sound very conversational with the people, and I would qualify them to make sure that they can sell the property, they're motivated, they find out what they're planning to do once I got it sold for them, because maybe I can help them go buy the next, or if they're relocating somewhere else, maybe I can refer them to another real estate agent that I know in that area. So, my goal with the end of this short little series, because that's all I've got time for today, is really to just have you be able to increase your closing ratio. You've never heard the term closing ratio? Come on. If you go out to say 10 listing appointments, do you come back with two or three or maybe four? I mean, I spoke with a young man about a year ago that, man, he thought he had this whole thing all figured out. He used one of those automated dialing systems, Mojo, which is a great system. It's a great service. But he was talking to people and he was setting appointments. But the thing is, he was setting a lot of appointments, but only coming back with a little less, but right about three listings for every 10 appointments he went on. That's about a 30% closing ratio. Now mine, I'm not going to tell you what it actually was because it would seem like I'm either bragging or you wouldn't believe me, but it was actually over 90%. And I'd love to see you get, heck, I'd love to see you get to just 70, maybe 75%. How great would that be? Think of all the extra income you'd have if you could get that efficient with everything you're doing during that listing, from the time you first speak with that lead till the time you walk out with the listing. Think of how efficient you could get, how many more listings you could take, how much more money you could stick in your pocket, and the lives that you could impact by being able to help that person with their real estate needs. So listen, I hope you have an awesome Monday, and I'm looking forward to talking with you pretty shortly. Take care.